Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that instead of doing another glittery fancy Valentine's look, I just decided what if I don't want to be that cute or sparkly. I just want to throw something on my face in like 15 minutes, look nice but not over glammed, nice normal hair, and there you go. So today we are doing a simple, quick and affordable makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. Something very low-key, I would say. Just nice full coverage foundation, flawless skin, a bit of a contour in the eye, and then obviously a nice nude lip. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going in with is the Essence Stay All Day 16-hour foundation in 15 soft cream, and I'm just going to buff that all over my face, making it nice and even. As you can see, I'm very red naturally. Buff that in with my little spongy that is from Urban Studios. This is like a dupe for the Real Techniques complexion sponge. It's half the price and it works just as good, so this is also affordable. So I'm just going to take that foundation on a concealer brush and buff it into my skin. So next, normally I take a concealer like the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I would conceal under my eyes, on my chin and on my forehead. But today, and I do this quite a lot, is I use a about 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone foundation, and this is the Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup in Matte Porcelain 09. This is a very nice foundation, not that full coverage, a very light texture as well as very light coverage. So I just go in with my sponge and then I just dab that under my eyes, and you can immediately see the difference that it makes. I'll be setting my face with the Catrice Cosmetics Nude Illusions loose powder in transparent matte, just using that all over my face. I'm firstly going to take my sponge and just dip it into the actual product and press it under my eyes, setting everything before it creases, also going over my lids, and then taking what's left in the lid with a flat top brush and just pressing that into the skin. For bronzer, I'm using the Essence Sun Club bronzer, and this is in 02 Sunny, and I'm just going to bronze the outsides of my face as well as my cheekbones. And then on a more precise brush, I'm taking the Essence Shape Your Face contouring palette in 10 Ready Set Peach, and I'm going to use the contouring shade just to add a bit more of a darker shadow to my cheeks. Usually I don't put any blush on at all, but this color in this Shape Your Face palette is pretty nice, so I think I'm going to use it. It's a peachy color and it's got a very shiny goldish undertone, so I think I'm just going to dust a little bit on my cheeks. Taking the smallest amount and tapping off the excess. Not too bad. For highlight, I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics High Glow Mineral Illuminating Powder, and this is in 010 Light Infusion. I'm just adding that a bit on my nose, my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and the top of the brows for a more glowy look. So for brows, I'm leaving my trusty LA Girl Slim Shady pencil behind and going for a more natural feathery look. And today I'm using a very old product. This is the old packaging as well of the Essence Eyebrow Stylist set. You can see the one shade is completely used up. So I'm just going to use this darker shade and fill in my eyebrows lightly. And then just setting the brows with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and this is the clear one. Okay, so onto the eyes. The palette I'm using today is from Beauty Treats, and this is the Roses eyeshadow palette. Very affordable. You can get it only from Diskim. This is, I think it's like a Diskim brand, Beauty Treats. So this is what it looks like. Very nice variety of colors. I think this is perfect because it's got a nice variety of brown shades, a bit more purpley, goldish, and then the red there. So this is the palette we are using today. So the first color I'm going in with is this taupey shade. It's not purple, it's not brown. It's a nice, I think it'll be a nice transition shade. So this is the first one I'm going in with on a big fluffy brush. Let's go a bit darker. Let's use this brownish shade up here. And then just buff that also in the same place. So next I'm taking a bit more tapered fluffy brush and going in with that exact same shade, just deepening and darkening up the crease, creating a bit more depth. I'm just going to take the champagne-y shade and just pop that in the inner corner as well as the first third of my lid and see how that comes out. I'm just going to take another fluffy brush and dip my brush into this pinky shade and then just go over the edges just to create a bit more color over the edges, but as well as the inner corner or the outer edge. As for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take that brownie shade and just add that on the whole of the lower lash line, just for a bit of color. And then just going over that with the brush that has the pink on it. And just buffing that a bit out. And that'll be the eyes done. I'm just going to add some of the Catrice highlighter to the brow bone as well as the inner corner. I'm just going to curl my lashes and then put on some mascara. We are not doing falsies today as this is a very simple look and I'm just not in the mood. So I'm using on the top lashes, I'm using the Essence Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. And then for bottom lashes that has a thinner bristle, I'm using the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's been a hot minute since I've seen myself without lashes, and I must say I'm not even recognizing myself. But it feels good, it's not so heavy on the lids. Okay, so all that's left is the lips, and I'm using the Essence Ultra Last Lip Liner, Smooth, Gliding and Waterproof in 02 Brick Dust. This is my all-time favorite lip liner. It is so smooth and pigmented, and it's so cheap. I just love this one. And then on top of that, I'm using one of the new shades of the Essence Matte 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 Long Lasting Lip Glosses, and this is in the shade 008 The Big Hill. It's a very nice color. These lip glosses smell like a chocolate factory. It is amazing. I want to eat it. this is then the look done. Very simple. You can add lashes if you want. I really like it just like this, nice and simple. The lip color adds a bit of color to the face, and then the eyes are glowy, a bit smoky but not too much, and the skin as well. So this is my simple, quick, easy and affordable Valentine's makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, and it tells me what you guys like and what you don't. If you are not subscribed yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Then you can see a lot more videos from me. And also, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it so much. I've enjoyed having you with me. If you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how you look on Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.